थर्ड स्पेशल एडिशन एट द डिजाइनर्स कोर्टयार्ड एंड ये कहाँ पे आया? दिस इज अ राइट बिसाइड इस्कॉन क्रॉस रोड. द बिल्डिंग्स नेम इज द रिच. Boji Cafe is very nearby and this is on the ground floor. Valet parking is available. 7 different kind of brands for 2 days today and tomorrow, and we have all of these beautiful things. Bandhej collection, something in vlogs, beautiful pieces like these. Something, my favorite, pink, orange. Look at this one, 3-piece set, another ethnic wear, and of course we have jewelry with Portleys, so do not miss it. This is brand Vestido, and if you want some cool shirts like what she's wearing, we have more options also.
We have this type of Ajrak shirts, bandage shirts. We have this type of corsets,
Nice.
which you can wear in summer. This type of bandage kurtas.
Beautiful, yes.
Yeah, it's a gaji kurta. Pastel shades. We have this type of dresses.
Nice. Beautiful. Okay. पूरे heavy में pieces चाहिए अगर.
Yes. This type of dresses.
Nice.
Malchanderi and silk.
Lovely pieces, and then we have something like this in tissue.
Tissue dresses which you can wear in marriage functions.
This is brand Heart of Sunray, and we have beautiful ethnic wear. Yes, ma'am. क्या है?
We have dresses with heartwork detailing.
Cartwork के साथ, okay, and customization is possible.
Something like this.
Pretty. जो आपने पहना हुआ है?
Yeah.
That is
We
another
have
color.
colors. Then we have king cup with velvet.
Oh, nice.
We have colors in it.
Okay.
Then we have heartwork dresses.
Cartwork dresses. Yes.
You can customize in your color also.
Mm-hmm.
Then we have dresses with dupattas.
Beautiful color options.
Then we have semi-pastel collections.
Semi-festive wear. Yes.
Colors in it.
Beautiful.
Cut like this. Tissue mat.
This is brand PB Jewels. Look at this stunning collection. Lovely. Then we have some earrings. Bhakti ka bhi hai. Check these out. Then we have very pretty rings. Studs where we have quite a few options. These are
Cancer, polki mein.
Yes, polki mein. Okay. Sets. Something very super pretty. Bracelets, chokers, gadas, Mozonite collection. Long में भी है, different. Oh, this look at this one is so pretty. Stunning collection in this. Wow. Beautiful necklaces. ऐसे some lightweight pieces. So we have a Bandhani collection brand called Pacheri. Hi.
Hi.
Yes. What do we have?
So we have some beautiful Georgette dupattas that we have. That's our USP.
Yes.
And you can see the colors. We have introduced in 2 colors this time. Then we have new collection of our Gaji dupattas. Some beautiful, amazing colors that we have.
Lovely.
Some color combinations, new designs. You can see this. Then we have this Chanderi materials.
Chandeli material, so you can get it stitched. and
Yeah,
there's a
you
lot
can
of
get it
colours in
stitched.
that.
Yeah, there are a lot of colors in it.
Correct.
Then we have this amazing, which can be turned into a
Kaftan
Indo-Western
or anything,
dress
yeah.
also.
Okay.
Then our traditional
We have, of
abhas.
course, abhas.
Then we have chanya cholis this time. They are all unstitched materials, which you can turn it to this. And then we have this saris.
This is brand Feathers, and we have lovely pieces like what she's wearing. Let me show you few
So
more.
there's colors also in what I'm wearing.
Okay.
Then we have something into brocade. So we've revamped old saris and we've used it.
Revamped old saris.
Yeah.
Okay. So people can get their sarees and you can get it.
Yeah,
like
we can
that?
customize 100%.
Okay.
We double check the quality. So if the quality is good, then and then only we will be able to do it.
Okay.
So that's one another piece.
Nice, yeah. This is a good concept. क्योंकि सारी ऐसे ही पड़ी हुई हैं.
Exactly.
Oh,
so that's
wow.
how we've
I
started
like
it.
Okay. Perfect. But the material should be strong.
The material, and we've double checked it, so rest assured there won't be any issues in it. Have something in Mukesh work which is in cotton.
Check out this stunning option. We have more options on these. This is Ahab store.
Yes, we have this Ajrak dresses with patches,
Yes.
block dresses, best sellers,
Correct.
lotus dresses, something in ombre, tie and dye, something in pitchwai, tie and dye kachi patch dresses, something in shibori. Color options are available.
Beautiful.
Something in tissue with work, bandhani dresses. Then we have saris, Banarasi saris, Jamdani saris,
Okay.
something in off-white,
Lovely.
different colors and designs are available.
Yes.
Tissue saris,
This is brand Orchid Pitara and you get stunning pieces like these. Let me show you all the other options. ये पूरे handwork के साथ है.
Yeah, this all are with handwork.
Yes. ये देखो थोड़ा mirror work के साथ है.
All are semi-festive.
Yes.
This we have a cotton,
Cotton collection also. Then something very lightweight.
lightweight and with very beautiful thread work.
Yeah.
Very pretty color.
Lovely.
We have something with the ombre also. These all are our signature prints, rock prints.
Stunning. Okay. Beautiful.